Hello friends, today our topic is Introduction of API Testing. API stands for Application Programming Interface. API are the mechanism that enables two software components to communicate with each other using a set of definitions and protocols. In this image, as you can see, there is a front end, hotel API, hotel backend, hotel database. So, from the front end, someone create a request, and with the help of hotel API, hotel backend will process those requests, fetch out data from the database, and then with the another API, they send the response to the front end application. So this is how an API will communicate internally. Now let me explain you how the API works. So API architecture is usually explained in the terms of client and server. The application sending the request is called the client, and the application sending the response is called as server. So now let's see a real example which we came across in our day-to-day life. Like waiters play the role in hotel, exactly same way API play the role between client side and the server side for the transmission of data. So let's say when you visit a hotel, you have your menu in the table, and from that menu, you give the order to the waiters, and then waiter provide those order to the kitchen staff. Staffs prepare those order, and with the help of waiters again, they serve you the order. So you directly didn't go to the kitchen staff and ask them to prepare the order. You, the waiters, play the bridge between you and the kitchen staff. So exactly API play the role between client and server side. So now let's see what is the use of API. Many applications we are using in our day-to-day life are using API like MyChUB, Amazon, IRCTC, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Now, what is the purpose of API testing? The core and major purpose of the API testing is to reduce the bugs which we found after the integration of UI with API, to handle the exceptions at backend layer, to reduce the time and cost of the testing, to create a stable application after the integration of UI with backend, and to reduce the efficiency, accuracy, and help the software to be delivered on time. So these are the core purpose of the API testing.